Okay, here we are. We're starting with experiment 6, and we've changed the orientation of the tower because we think it stands a little bit straighter that way. Dom is making some last minute adjustments here in experiment number 6. And you can see we have the tower, the upper tower, which is 10 stories with each with a 5-pound weight on it, so 50 pounds. And we'll go into that ruler there and see if I can zoom in on that. Put your level over there right next to your ruler. There you go. And let's see what it does. Yeah, I got it. Okay. And let me see if I can get that somewhere here. Okay.
It reads about 10.7, 10.8.
Okay. Let me see if I can find it. There it is. Okay. Okay, that's my tripod there. Using my stomach as a tripod. Not completely still, but better than my one-hand technique. Okay, and here we have the tower with the upper now facing us as well as the lower. And now we'll go around and you can see in here we have experiment E6. Can you see it there? Okay, and that's what we're doing. Alrighty. There it is again. I'm gonna take record off. Okay, that's a good idea, Dom. Dom had a real good idea. We have this little red marker up here, and we place it at about 1 1/8 tier up, so that we're a little bit more than 1 tier up here. And I just wanted to show you how we're going to be using this. So I'll lift it up to this area, and then we'll make sure that we're clear and we're level in 2 different directions, which is what Craig is going to help me do. Okay. 6, the doing. Experimental. We just saw the experimental tier in there. We've got our ruler here, so we're going to try it. We're going to make an attempt to see what happens to the bottom tower as we film it. We're going to be filming this area right in here. I'm going to be lifting this up 1 1/8 tiers here. Craig is going to verify that by putting a tier inside, and then he's going to make sure that I'm from 2 different angles. He's going to make sure that I'm level. Okay, so come on up to where you're going to film it, Don, and try to get that in focus. You don't have to go off record. Just go ahead and come on up. And tell me when you're in focus. How are you going to do it? I thought you were going to go on your knee.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Here I go. I'm going to get ready to lift this thing.
Time out.
Okay. Tell me when you're recording.
Go ahead.
Okay. I'm lifting it. I'm lifting the whole thing. Hold on, I got to get a different angle. Lifting the whole thing up. There.
Up high.
It's got to go up higher?
Yeah.
Okay,
Why don't you just go to the string?
You can just put the edge. I'm going to the string, but you just put the edge through there to make sure.
That's good. You're good.
Am I good in both dimensions, though?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm not ready.
Tell me when you are. Hurry, please.
I can't find it.
Okay, I gotta set this down. I can't sit like
I
that.
can't find it. Why can't I see that piece of plywood? Okay, right there. It's just I
Are you
can't.
still recording?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna lift again. Okay.
Go ahead.
See if you can stay away from my fingers because they distort things.
Down just a tad.
Okay. Okay, you ready? Is it level in 2 dimensions?
Yep.
One. Bring
To
your
your-
front down a little bit.
Okay, bring your front
Take the
down.
front down just
Okay.
a tad.
Okay. You gotta guide it for me. Guide
To your
me.
left.
I-
To your
I'm
left,
sitting-
Mark.
Your left leg.
Okay. To your left.
Okay, I gotta set this down. This is not working.
Yep.
do this. So, real filmable.
Roll film. Record.
Wait. Put your hand right where the plywood is. Okay, now do it.
Ready? Up we go.
Down.
Okay, verify it in both directions.
Yeah, you come down. It's flat. That's good. That's level.
Ready, Dom?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Got anything break? Sounded like it broke.
Sure did.
Keep filming, Dom. What broke? There you go. Let's try to find what broke. See if it was something broke. And because here's a piece of plastic which shows it.
It's like you lost a corner of it.
I hear you now.
Where is it on? Is it on the experimental tier? That's where most of the force was concentrated.
Yeah, I see this right here.
Is it down on the tower?
Right there. Okay, so. And that's not the same as this piece, probably not.
Okay, so
No.
this we're going to replace. Okay? So we have to build another tower down below.
Got some breakage.
Have breakage on the tower. What level is it? Let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th, the 8th tier broke under that force
At the base.
at the base. Okay. So that. Okay, this is still experiment 6. We're taking the experimental tier off. After that drop, go ahead and take it out. Okay, and now let's just take a look. Hand it to me if you would. This is experiment 6, E6. It did not break in any of on the first drop that it was dropped on the tower. Part of the tower did break, however, so now we're going to have to replace that part of the tower. And when I replace that part of the tower, I'm gonna decrease my weight on that bottom tower by taking those last 2 or 3 weights off, so we have less weight on the bottom part of the tower, because that's arbitrary. Okay, here we go.